Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your address on the Smiths app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and change your address on the Smiths app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Smiths app. Next, click on your profile icon on the upper left-hand corner. Afterwards, go ahead and scroll down to where it says addresses and click on addresses. So this is where you could actually go ahead and add a new address by clicking on the upper right-hand corner. So click on add, and this is where you'll enter your street address, city, country, state, and postal code. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and add your address or change your address to the Smiths app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.